Hi guys, Cordelia here, young ambassador at Urban Synergy, currently a university student, and I've been with Urban Synergy since I was at sixth form.
Hi guys, my name is Zach. I'm a 11th Solar Scholar at Cove School, and I want to explain to you how coronavirus has affected myself, my year group, and the operations at Urban Synergy. During my time at College, Urban Synergy provided me with the opportunity to shadow a lawyer at Thomson Reuters. I was able to see what it feels like to work in Canary Wharf, whilst understand how the legal world works. I visited places like the House of Commons and the Old Bailey, where some of the most famous cases in the country are tried.
So Urban Synergy have supported me in terms of giving me a mentor who I met 4 years ago on a program called Barclays Rise, which was a personal development program which ran over the course of 5 months. With every day we'd attend a session at Barclays, and those sessions consisted of presentation skills, careers sessions, networking, and a vast array of sort of insights into the professional world. And so there I was allocated a mentor who's still my mentor till this very day. And so Urban Synergy has been an incredible platform for my personal development.
Because of Corona, these opportunities are cancelled for many students across South East London. At Urban Synergy, we pride ourselves on saying one interaction can change a child's life. For example, last year, Urban Synergy with College helped put together the Ready for Work conference. That opportunity allowed for students across the entire year group to experience what it feels like to have their first interview and have talks from many professionals across the city. Following the conference, even I was given the opportunity to speak on BBC Radio.
I think it's incredibly vital for young people because we are transitioning through very uncertain times, never before seen in history. And it's like, as a young person, you want to be able to talk about the things you're facing, because the reality is we've all gone through peaks and troughs, and we've all gone through highs and lows during the crisis, and having somebody to express that to has been incredibly important, and will be incredibly important for young people. Mental health is something that it's a lot more openly spoken about, right? And being in a lockdown 24/7 can have its difficulties. So whether it's keeping up with your education, trying to navigate boredom, trying to navigate overthinking, these things are incredibly important to speak about. And so personally for me, how's COVID-19 affected me? Well, all my exams at university have been cancelled. I have an internship that's moved online. And so I'm going through a period of transition, and having to navigate that sort of phase has been definitely new, definitely challenging, because sometimes you have to accept the fact that things are not going to be the same. And it's not easy because you can't do things that you typically or you had planned to do.
At times like this, it's vital that we can all access a support network that will help us guide us through these times. Whether that's family, friends, your teachers, even your neighbour. It's important that we take a break, because at the end of the day, we've all broken our normal routines of school, university. Mental health is important. I need to make sure that you prioritise it, because mental health is as important as physical health.
So Stephanie's been incredible for me during the crisis. I keep her up to date on my exams. I keep her up to date on my my internships, etc. But having somebody who's there, constantly guiding you, helping you navigate through any challenging time, is the most invaluable sort of thing somebody can have, right?
Because of Corona, Urban Synergy's work experience placements have been cancelled, and so have the conferences and the mentoring initiatives that Urban Synergy does. This is going to prevent so many people from understanding how the professional world works. Coronavirus has seriously impacted our lives.